Why continually make things harder than they should be? Why? We are unconditionally loved and supported in whatever decision we make. Make one that suits you in the best possible way. If you tell yourself, meditation's hard, I can't do this, I can't, it's too much, it's too traumatizing, it's too overwhelming, then it will be, because you are unconditionally supported in whatever decision you make. So before you do anything, meditation, you're about to paint, you're about to go to work, you're about to do anything, just say, this is easy. So what? So what? I love doing this. Even if something inside of you is telling you that it is the opposite of what you desire, totally and utterly disregard it. And you will be supported in the better decision. Just make the better decision.